Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, what is this? This is driving wheel lock, and I always recommend to have this. You know why? Because it happened to one of my friends. His car was broken into, but because he had this uh, driving wheel lock, the thieves couldn't do much apart from making out their frustration on the car by breaking some items. And before they could do anything, he came out of the house, and the thieves ran away. So he survived. Okay, he survived just because of this. Okay, now nothing is 100% safe, but if you have a second level of security attached, now if this is made of very heavy metal, even if somebody comes with like an angel grinder, it's gonna take time, and at night time in dark, if they run it, it's gonna create lot of noise. So that is not some, and it's gonna take a few minutes. So that's not something a thief who would try to just run and rush would try to do this. So it's a very simple thing, guys. You can buy it from online stores, even from Walmart and other places. It's very easy to use, and it saves, it gives you peace of mind. I use it everywhere, even if I go to my workplace, office, and at mall. I just put it on before I exit my car. Okay, and when I enter my car, the first thing I do is I press this lock button. That's the safest thing I would do. So if you do this, you could be in a better situation. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.